Hi guys, good evening. So today is 11th of October 2019. So this is second entry. So I just short sell earlier at 89 and TP take profit, and now I'm shorting again at 71.54. I'm targeting the price to reach around 70.92, which is somewhere here. This is my TP area. So at this moment, slightly positive, very minor profit, $20. So I'm expecting for this is my entry point, 71.54, so break even. So let's wait for another 1 hour whether the price can be pushed further down to break this low of 71.08. Once it's passed through the level, there's more high tendency for the profit taking activity. So let's wait until I will resume back this video after 1 hour or maybe 30 minutes. Hi guys, resume back. Okay, at the moment we are profit around 110 US dollar, 120, so around that area. So the market, the price already moved down, go according to our target plan. So I'm expecting for the price to reach, break this low by tonight. So I'm expecting around 45 minutes. The price will be somewhere here. So looks good as for now, 120 US dollar profit. So just now, in my other video, I already profit as well here, shorting, and now short again. There's a pullback, and now I'm shorting again, hopefully for the breeze breakout and go further down with larger profit margin. So now it's 140, 130 US dollar. So guys, we continue this video live again in the next 30 minutes, perhaps. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, resume back. So this moment, market looks good. We are profiting around 310 US dollar, 320 US dollar. So there's a high volume as well. Q at 21, 71.20, 71.19, 71.15 is the highest, 431. So this might push back the price maybe, but up to now I have to wait until the price break to this low. There's this low. Now we are profiting 330. Okay, 330, and hope my TP is somewhere here as 70, sorry, 70.90. So this is 70.92. This is my TP area. Hopefully the price can spike due to form from this breakout and make opportunity for me to close my position. So I'm still expecting for the price to be there around 45 minutes from now. And yeah, everything's look good at this moment. So 300 now, minor pullback. So let's wait and see for the next 45 minutes. Hopefully everything's good. Okay guys, we resume back again later on. Okay guys, resume again. So let's continue. I have exit my position somewhere here at 71.26. So there's around 30 ticks profit. So it's a good one. It was a good one. So I think that's enough for today, because we have profit both sides. So the first entry is here and TP somewhere here, and now I re-enter again for short sell and TP here. It's a quick one, but should be enough for today. So total around 600, something like that. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.